Welcome, here I've got WIKO Y60 and I'm gonna show you how to change aspect ratio in the camera app at this device. So at first we have to tap on the camera button to open it, and for now we are in the standard photo mode. Now let's move to this settings bar and focus on the second from the left button. When we tap here, we can manage aspect ratio. As you can see, we are in 4 and 3. Let's move to the left to the full one. And this is how it changes, as you can see. Another tap to this button and we can also get access to 1 and 1. So now the background has changed to the square one. And when we pick this button once again, we can go to whatever we need. Now let me move back to 4 and 3, the original one. And that's all. Thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.